I can't wait to show you how easy it is to make this salted caramel hot chocolate in 5 simple steps. This recipe starts with 2 cups of whole milk. You can also use non-dairy milk if you prefer. And we're going to heat this on medium until it's warm but not boiling. Trust me, not boiling. I go a little bit deeper into why in my blog post, which I will link in the description box below. So once your milk is warm, we're going to add the milk chocolate chips, caramel sauce, and you can get everything you need on the ice cream aisle probably. It doesn't have to be super fancy. Just get what you got. A little bit of sea salt. And we're going to stir this until the chocolate and caramel are fully melted and the mixture is smooth. Now this recipe serves 2, so literally in the matter of minutes you'll have impressed yourself and one other person with this recipe. Simply pour your hot chocolate into mugs and garnish with whatever toppings you like. I love whipped cream, I love marshmallows, I love more caramel sauce and pretzels. And enjoy your homemade hot chocolate. Throw those packets away, make it yourself. The recipe again is linked in the description box below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.